Good morning to everybody. Let's take a look. We're in a bull top. I have the NASDAQ 100 52-week high, bull top. The Dow broke above resistance to a new bull top. The NASDAQ composite, here it is. That's a new bull market high. They've got it above the top. Once again, the NASDAQ 100. That's a 2-year bull. Every one of these are 2-year bulls. The last time they were this way would have been October 22. So we got the rut. That's a bull year. We got the transports. That's a bull year. The Russell 2000. That's about to break resistance with a 2-year bull. Every one of these are 2-year market bulls headed into a calendar earnings season. Beware. Be safe. Volatility gets big.